Hi, Marius here, and we're going to talk about Forex trading times. And there's a little trick to it, and I'm going to show you that little trick by the end of this video, so make sure to watch the entire video. Now, before we continue, let me just do a quick disclaimer. The results that I get is because of the time and the effort and the understanding that I put into this. You may not get the same results, but I've placed a link down in the description of this video to the disclaimer. If you want to read the full disclaimer, you're welcome. While you're down there, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, definitely hit the bell icon so you can be notified of the next video that I upload. And the next video that I'm going to upload, I'll be giving away a free book on Forex trading, so you definitely want to get notified. Now, the Forex times, it's actually 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. If you include the crypto market, you can do it 7 days a week. But before I show you the special times, there's something obvious I want to bring to light. YouTube University and Forex. It really doesn't mix. My suggestion would be to join a proper Forex University. And I've placed a link to a free webinar in the description. And please join us, have a look. As I said, it's for free. It's going to take 30 minutes of your time. It's not all that long. But the benefits of joining a university is that they create an environment where you can learn Forex a proper way. The syllabus is only 2 weeks long, so you can get started pretty fast. You could fast track the 2 week syllabus. They have live traders which you can watch, ask advice. You can actually look over their shoulders and copy the trades that they are doing and make some serious money from that alone. The syllabus takes you through a beginner course, then it takes you through an intermediate course. It also takes you into an advanced course. So it's suitable for anybody that really wants to do Forex regardless of your level of expertise. The thing that I want to say is that when you invest $100 per month or per trade and you go in there blindly, chances are you're going to lose that money if you've studied through the YouTube University. This course is only $99.99, and the value that it provides is actually worth thousands. And there's actually a way to get all of that education for free. But that I'll reveal in the webinar. So be sure to click that link. Okay, so let's go into my computer.
Now, as I said, the markets are open 24 hours a day, but it's not just one market. It's actually a continuation or overlapping of different markets across the time zones. As you see here, we've got the Frankfurt, London, New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, Auckland, Sydney, Tokyo, and Hong Kong market. The times indicated here is EST. As you would see, the Frankfurt from 2 o'clock till 10 o'clock, London from 3 till 11, New York from 8 till 4, Chicago from 9 to 5, Los Angeles 10 to 6. The Auckland session is from 4 o'clock till 12. Sydney from 5 o'clock all the way to 1 o'clock. Tokyo from 7 all the way through to 3. Hong Kong from 8 all the way through till 4 o'clock. As you can see, some of these markets overlap quite drastically or quite a lot. We can break this down into 4 different markets, which is then more commonly referred to as the London, New York, Sydney, and Tokyo exchange. As I said, some of these markets overlap quite drastically and they form supercells. Let me just show you. These supercells are actually the best times for trading as the market is very liquid. And London and New York being the biggest exchanges, this would be the ideal time to trade. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with the other ones, but this would be the ideal, as well as Sydney and Tokyo. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And as I said, remember that free book I'm giving away next week.